Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your OnePlus Ace 3. So first up, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. There you have a free credit responder. Click on the plus and choose Source Every Document. I'm gonna pick something from the gallery. Just select your photo and click on the Allow. Select it again and choose Import. Now you can choose the filter for the photo, the shape to your picture document. Then you can choose your filter. Click on the accept icon, type the number in this place and type the choose the country in the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.